What's up, everyone? I want to share a warm-up with you that I created using the Swiss Army Triplet along with the Paradiddle-diddle and then 3 non-accented alternating tap strokes at the end that's going to get us over to the other hand. So, start this off with 4 Swiss Army Triplets. Then 3 Paradiddle-diddles. Then our 3 non-accented tap strokes, right, left, right. Then that will lead us over to the left-handed Swiss Army Triplet. Then back to the right again. Let's play that slow one time. And be careful with those accents. Make sure that those downstrokes stop low, and then that prepares us for our next move. So again, everything is accented on the 1 on this except for the very last 3 notes. Again, hope you can take this, play it, and get something out of it.